In today's video, I'm gonna give you a lot more information about special vitamins that can help you a lot for slowing down aging. We're living in the world that through food, also with the unhealthy way of living, many people look a lot older than they really are. Some more vitamins that can help you a lot I will talk about in this video. You're gonna find out what are best vitamins, what are the food sources, also what are the supplementations and daily doses that you can take. Also at the end of the show, I'm going to recommend you another my video that can help you a lot with one supplement that is one of the best that can help you in slowing down aging. Today I will tell you about most important vitamins that according to scientific studies acts against aging. If you have chronic lack of those vitamins, you will visibly age much sooner. On the other hand, intake of those vitamins slows down aging. Aging is no disease but a normal part of our body processes. There are many reasons why we age rapidly or look much younger for our age. One of the biggest will be vitamins that we take each day or don't take. It is especially important to say, as a person is over 50 years old, the digestive system is doing worse. As the digestive system works much worse, the body is unable to break down or obtain the necessary nutrients such as vitamins from the food. Therefore, our bodies don't not break food in the same way as 20, 40 or 60 years of age. This is important to say because one of the main reasons of rapid aging is lack of those vitamins. And this is why people above 50, 60, 70 years old are usually one of the most important reasons is you cannot absorb nutrients even if you eat healthy. That means if you eat healthy with 20 years, with 30 and 60, that is not the same. That's why we need help our digestive system with healthy way of living to reduce risk of the wrinkles or any kind of aging symptoms that many of you have right now. The first vitamin that prevents rapid aging is vitamin B1. B1, also known as thiamine, or thiamine is a water-soluble vitamin that is needed for the production of energy, form glucose, for transmission of electrical messages in the nerve and the muscle cells, including the heart and for the production of the red blood cells. It is needed for the synthesis of some important amino acid and plays a role in the digestion. It is also involved in the transport of glucose with the cells and in its function of pancreatic beta cells which produce insulin hormone, making it important for the people with diabetes. Vitamin B1 is crucial for the production of the chemicals in the brain that regulate mood, sleep and feeling well-being. And that's why the vitamin also is called stress vitamin. This vitamin B1 had many health benefits for our body. It's perfect for our energy, for our brain function, for our nerve function. And what is also important for today's show, it helps our digestive system works better. Also, you sleep better. That means you have the less stress, sleep better and longer. Everything can help you a lot, reducing the visible aging signs. Vitamin B1 is lost from the body through the kidneys, and the most people only have stores sufficient for the last 1 month. A regular dietary support is therefore essential. Food sources include whole grains, oats, soy flour, pasta, meat, especially pork and the duck, seafood, nuts and the pulses, brewer's yeast and the yeast extract are also good sources. Vitamin B1 is easily lost by food processing, chopping, micing, liquidizing, canning and preserving. Boiling reduces the thiamine content of foods by half and it is so water soluble. It is also destroyed by high temperature and adding baking powder. Toasting bread can lose almost a third of this vitamin B1 content. In addition, freezing meats reduces their vitamin B1 content up to 50%. I believe many of you don't think about it. Even if you eat good quality food, usually you don't do this by chopping, mincing, or whatever you're doing with those produce, usually a lot of those minerals and minerals or vitamins get lost. That's why if you eat good quality produce, reduce those kind of procedures, and you will have better chance of getting vitamin B1 in your body. To make it easier to understand, vitamin B1 helps you break down the food better and get greatest benefits from other vitamins and minerals. As I mentioned, your rapidly aging is due to inability of digestive system, especially for older people, to process more valuable minerals and the vitamins for our health. If you add vitamin B1 to your diet or take good quality supplements, your digestion will work very well for a long time, which means more minerals and the vitamins in your body, which means less wrinkles and visible sign of aging. Our most important information that you need to know right now. So vitamin B1 is going to be my recommendation as a first vitamin that can help you relieve or remove your visible aging signs. What are the special daily dosage that you need to think about vitamin B1? The newly set EU RDA that decreased to 1.1 milligram. The UK RNI for adults aged 90 to 50 years is 1 milligram for men and 0.8 milligrams for the woman. In general, the more carbohydrate you eat, the more thiamine you need. People drinking large amount of coffee or tea, which destroy the vitamin, may become thiamine deficient. Other common causes of thiamine deficiency including stress, which is quickly used as available thiamine sources, and drinking too much alcohol, which interferes with thiamine metabolism. B vitamins are best taken together in the complex. Vitamin B1 is highly dependent on magnesium, so make sure that you're getting adequate supplies of both. So vitamin B1 is connected with the magnesium. So if you take a large quantity, also coffee, also if you take that is unbelievably unhealthy, drink a lot of alcohol, much of your vitamin B1 is going to be destroyed and you don't want to do it. Especially if you're 50, 60, 70 years old and you of course wonder why you look so old. Drinking, smoking, bad habits, unhealthy food, junk food, no exercise, overweight, taking a lot of medication, everything causes you visibly rapidly aging, especially after 40, 50 years old. You usually don't think about it when you are younger, but if you see right now someone who live healthy, don't take any kind of medication, they look unbelievably healthy. What other vitamins slow down aging? First of all, you need vitamin A. The recommended daily dose is 10,000 to 15,000 international units per day. It is powerful antioxidants and promotes healthy skin. It will also recommend vitamin C at least 3,000 to 5,000 international units per day. This is powerful antioxidant, strengthens immunity, protects the skin, reduces fatigue and increases energy. Some of the best plants in the world for stopping visible signs of aging are astragalus and echinacea. You can drink them in the form of the tea and eat vitamins with food or high quality supplements before eating. One last time, the most important vitamins for reducing the visible sign of aging are vitamin B1, vitamin C, and also you will need vitamin A. With use of astragalus or echinacea, your aging situation will be reversed. Of course, the niche with not quickly without practicing something called intermittent fasting, which is most important tool for longevity and youthful appearances. How to properly practice intermittent fasting? Of course, you can read it in my book that is called Intermittent Fasting, The Secret of Health and Longevity. If you combine each day intermittent fasting with those vitamins and also with echinacea or astragalus in the supplement form, you will get healthier and you will get and be and look younger. Now in 2024, with every study that are concluded right now, we are never been sicker. We have so many sick people that in any other part of history does not this percentage of sick people each day. You are sick because the food you eat right now. Right now we eat so much junk food that you will not believe it. 95% of why you are addicted for this garbage food. Of course, you will not practice something called intermittent fasting, because that's mean you need in the 24 hours eat 1 to 2 meal each day. For you, and that what media tells you each day, you need to eat 3, 4, 5, 6 meals each day, and usually you eat garbage diet, and that's why in this modern era there's so many sick people, younger and younger, are getting sicker. You eat so much garbage food, you treat your diseases with medications that in most cases are worsening your symptoms and much more. We need to educate ourselves what is healthy way of living, what are natural remedies if we want to get older, we look better, or even be a lot healthier. You need to think about it like this. Why someone with 70 years old look like they are 40 years old, and someone with 35 years old, they look like they are 65 years old? Everything that we need to do right now, we need to educate ourselves what are the healthy way of living. If I say to you after 25 years with working with the patient that intermittent fasting is the best diet for you, it is for my own experience. I'm on intermittent fasting for the last 15 years and I never been better. Most of my patients are in a very good position and prevent most of the modern diseases just by taking this intermittent fasting. Also, natural remedies is very important because they cure you in natural way with unbelievably minor of these side effects. That's why you need to think about it. Eat healthy. Exercise regularly. You must be in the normal weight. Right now, the obesity is pandemic number 1 probably in the world. If you are obese or overweight, you will look a lot older than you are. So for today's show is for you important to know. Practicing intermittent fasting, take those vitamins. I believe they can help you a lot for you to get younger. Younger also means you are healthier. If you want to know what else can help you a lot with your aging in a very natural way, click here on this video. Thank you for following me. God bless you. God bless your family. See you in the next video. Bye bye.